I bought these blades to pair with my Leatherman Surge, which features an interchangeable blade. The one and only interchangeable T-Shank that would support the T-Shank. This is the only one on the market that I know of. So you should go in like this. There's a little bit of play. However, it still feels pretty sturdy. This dramatically extends the ability of my Surge from Leatherman. Love this multi-tool. So, quick swap. I'll be able to cut wood and metal with my Surge. As you can see, these blades are slightly longer than the original included blade from Surge, but it won't be difficult to cut them off with a grinder. And there's a little bit of notch here too. So if I cut it this side, to be of the same length here, I should be able to fold it into the body as well. So yeah, love it. Appears to be a very good product. These blades are excellent. It's a perfect match for the Surge. Yeah. Let's cut some wood to test the blades. Fast cut with the pull teeth and metal. This one is push, so I would prefer the pull cutting part. Should have used a clamp to secure this piece, would make the cutting more efficient. Not bad. And we also have a very tiny blade. I'm not sure what this is for. It says basic wood. The teeth is tiny. And this one actually folds in without having to grind off this part. One hand opening. Very nice. This replaceable blade tool really is what makes this Surge to really shine. And this is the original. Yeah, I really like this one. Has double teeth. Just like the original.